Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you will see different types of bags like crochet tote bags, crochet scare bags and crochet shoulder bags. You will explore a stunning collection of trendy handmade bags designed for modern fashion lovers. These stylish crochet bags include elegant crochet tote bags perfect for everyday use. Chic crochet scare bags that add a bold statement to your outfit and graceful crochet shoulder bags ideal for casual and semi-formal looks. Each bag is carefully crafted with unique patterns, textures and colors that reflect creativity and timeless fashion. Whether you prefer minimal elegance for a trendy handcrafted vibe, these crochet bags are perfect to elevate your style and add a fashionable, eco-friendly touch to your wardrobe. I want to share a story with you, a story of one girl who believed that fashion does not need labels to be powerful. She was inspired by modern trends but wanted something different, something unique instead of following fast fashion. She chose crochet as her signature style with clean designs, structures, shape, and trendy color palettes. She created crochet tote bags, care bags, and shoulder bags that match today's modern outfits. Her bags blended effortlessly with blazers, denim, and minimal looks. What started as a creative idea slowly turned into a fashion identity. She proved that modern fashion is about confidence, creativity, and setting your own trends.